Do you love to travel? We travel all the time, and what a saver this thing is. This is so cool. This is a memory card reader with the ability to, first off, connect to pretty much every kind of computer or device you want to. You got that Apple kind of connection thing, you got USB-C, you got good old-fashioned USB-A, and then there's a slot for, they say TF because they don't want to pay the extra commission, so that they could say micro SD card, but that's a micro SD card reader, and this is a SD card reader. So with this one device, you can pretty much download your images, cards, everything to phones, tablets, computers, whatever you want, all off this one thing. And then you can even charge that device at the same time. See, it's got a USB-C power in port. So if you can actually charge your device while you're downloading your cards, which is really nice. Sometimes if you're using a conventional memory card reader, you're gonna plug it in and you're gonna start downloading, but you're gonna lose the use of that plug, which isn't a big deal if it's a computer, but if you're like working on a cell phone or a tablet where there's only one USB-C port, you'd be out of luck. But with this, you can do both at the same time. Anyway, this is a great thing if you're traveling, making content, or just taking pictures or video of your escapades, traveling the world, and you want to be able to easily carry a card reader to download it, charge, all those kind of things. This is the little answer. Hope that was helpful. We'll see you next time.